The snowbanks just got a little taller here in the FM area, and factoring in the wind blowing snow off of roofs and the like, we have some ridiculous amounts of drifts out there, measuring in feet, 4 to 6 feet in some spots. So our side streets, our residential streets, still going to take some time for our awesome DOT crews to get through and make sure things are open. But you can see the main thoroughfares, I-29 in the distance there from our Luther Family Ford View, 32nd Avenue exit, all improving as we head into the evening hours, and even a little bit of break in the cloud cover. Decreasing winds by around 7. That's the highlight. Number 2, very icy travel continues and frigid cold setting in. We do have clearing skies out in our western counties right now. That's not far from us here in the FM area. Still a little bit of very light snow showing up on the radar. Remember, the farther we get away from the radar site, the higher in the atmosphere that radar beam is, so it tends to overshoot the tops of these very shallow winter clouds. Gusty winds at times over 20 miles per hour in the Southern Valley will continue tonight, and that's going to keep roads pretty glazed and polished over. So we're just now seeing many of those roads update, as we had for you at the top of the show, and open in North Dakota, but they will remain icy, and there are no travel advisories in our area. So please don't travel if you don't need to. 20s off in central parts of Lakes Country, including Wadena County, Alexandria 22. Otherwise, we're on our way to the single digits. Here's where the cold pool is moving in from. Clear skies, a long night, and, well, fresh snow. We have all of those ingredients, and that's prime for some rapid nighttime cooling tonight. 10 degrees above for Fargo. 16-mile-per-hour winds makes it feel like it's 7 below outdoors. Hour-by-hour forecast. Check out that clearing trend as we head through the evening hours. And the wind arrows, well, they go from green to blue, which means a decrease in speed, but still enough of a wind to create 15-mile-per-hour wind for some of us. Now we put the pink numbers on there. Those digits are your wind chill values overnight. Air temperatures in areas of fresh snow. I don't think my model here is taking good care of you. We're going to see a lot of areas closer to that 10 below area where we got a fresh foot of snow. So here in Fargo-Moorhead, close to 10 below, wind chills around 20 below. Down south near Lisbon, Valley City, Jamestown, all of us will be near 10 below. But the increase in clouds by morning from the west will help, and temperatures will start rising. Our wind direction also shifts. So a cold morning and wind chilly for all areas, even up north with no fresh new snow. Will still be sub-zero wind chills. South winds pick up 15 to 30 miles per hour in the afternoon. See a little hiccup moving through with a couple blips of snow. We can handle that. Temperatures rising in the teens to near 20 for many of us as we enjoy a windy warm-up. It will also cause blowing and drifting of this nonsense on the roads. So that means our roads tomorrow will still be challenging. Keep that in mind, even though it may look sunny for the morning hours. 7 below to start. Will top out near 20 degrees. Those winds increase from the south tomorrow, and that's going to make it feel a little cooler than your car's thermometer says. The windiest locations are the areas with the yellow arrows, 15 to 25 for your afternoon snapshot. Friday, better still, and still some improvement on Saturday and into your weekend. Now, we'll have a chance of some late Sunday snow and into Monday as well, with hit and miss flurries and snow chances, particularly the upcoming weekend. We've had a lot of quiet weekends in a row. Bobby, this one just might be different. You may have to wax your shovel for the weekend to actually do some shoveling outdoors, but not like what we had today, hopefully. Hopefully you stayed safe, stayed warm at home during this mess. I understand it was under forecast by our team just a little bit. Yeah. As we got surprised by a band of heavy snow that parked over us for the entirety of the overnight.
I'm having the fingers crossed that we never have to experience anything like this again. I'm sure there will be another system like this eventually, but whew, Bobby, this was a doozy.
Happy first day of meteorological spring.
Yep, indeed.
And to you.
Yeah, Hutch, thank you so much.